This Roinvou 9-inch Android 13 car stereo brings a bright, high-definition touchscreen that makes maps and video look sharp and easy to read in a Toyota Prius from model years 2010 through 2015. Wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration work smoothly, so you can handle calls, messages, music, and navigation with simple voice commands, while keeping your hands on the wheel. The built-in global positioning system receiver and offline mapping support mean you can navigate reliably even when cellular coverage is weak, and a wireless network connection lets you add your favorite driving and media applications. Sound quality is surprisingly refined for this class, with adjustable equalizer settings and customizable interface themes that let you tune both the audio and the look of the system to your taste. Bluetooth pairing is quick and stable, enabling clear, hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming, and the included external microphone helps your voice come through cleanly in noisy traffic. The integrated radio tuner offers steady reception with multiple preset stations, and the support for a backup camera and steering wheel controls makes the unit feel like a factory upgrade rather than an awkward aftermarket add-on.